Morning, guys. We are warming the truck up right now. We're actually going to Lafayette today to work on that siding job where y'all seen us put all the zip system and Hardy backer, or not Hardy backer. My mind's on tile, bro. The Hardy lap side and everything. So we go and work on that this morning. I'm gonna stop, give me some coffee, meet up with the guys over there, and then I'll check back in with y'all once we get our little game plan and get something rolling. Alright, well, scratch all that because we just got rained out and we're taking it back to the house. So if I end up doing anything today, I'll check in with y'all. Morning, guys. Today we had a rain out. Yep, so won't be working today. But I'm gonna show y'all what life is like at home for Coco. With me and my boy. Yeah, he's got an Apple Watch. He thinks he's something. I'm gonna show y'all guys how to wash some clothes. First step to raise a child is you get him to do everything for you that you can. I'm just kidding, that's not true. But it does come in handy when you want to help wash clothes. Alright, now I'm gonna show y'all how to put this in there. They say you're supposed to put it right there, but you never do that. You want to make sure your stuff's all clean and, you know, good. Just pour a little bit everywhere. Alright, should be good to go. Then you come, you turn it on. You always put these all the way up. I don't care what nobody says. Once you get washed. Alright, now you turn it on. Alright, guys, so we are waiting on a call back from the look at this, trying to throw that over my shoulder to be cool. Alright, so I'm not even gonna delete that. Waiting on a call from the tire shop. I've been meaning to put tires on my wife's car for like 3 weeks now. I'd ordered her tires. They've been sitting under my carport and we never have off to go do it. So I let her take my truck to work today since we got rained off. So hope that comes back in one piece. So I'm waiting on a call back for an appointment. And we're gonna go load up the tires right now in the back of her car. I got a towel to put down so she don't beat me. And I'm gonna give y'all a little video of me doing that, I guess. Try to get y'all some content. I'm not gonna lie, if this closes, I'll be very surprised. Now, if it does close, that's some precision stacking. So let's see what we got. Should have known. Alright, guys, so right now we got the tire loaded up. We're going right to the tire shop to go see if they have an opening. It's always nice when she lets me drive her car. It makes my Duramax feel like a dumpster, but that's okay because I get to drive this one too. So we're gonna go ride real quick, and if he does have a spot available, then I will try to get some videos of us swapping the tires or something. Let me tell you something, bro. The wife's unit needed some tires. She had some very nice Michelins on it, and they lasted us a long time. They were used when we bought the car, and I think we put 30,000 miles on it, and they were just getting to where they were getting down to the wear blocks. And I just put on some Nitto 421s, and man, they are smooth. In the rain, they bite. I love them. Very, very good tire. I've always been a fan of Nitto 420s as far as on trucks, but they just come out with a 421. And very nice tire. If y'all need some new tires and y'all like Nittos, don't be hesitant to try the 421. They work really good. Guys, just had a nice lunch with the wife. Tore up some canes. I had canes in a while, so that was nice. Right now I'm headed to Mike's house. Coco's over there doing a little bit of stuff, so kind of rainy day, bored, so just gonna hang out with the guys and maybe we'll get y'all some funny content. It's usually never a dull moment with us all together. All right, guys, I come past by Mike's house, and as I suspected, these boys ain't working, bro. They just hanging out. I knew that. That's why I come past too. Ain't got nothing to do with me neither. We just walking, bro, looking at trees and the forest. Somebody was cutting concrete with a lawnmower, but we're not gonna say who. Y'all know this ain't gonna end well. Our objective is to get all this into that pile. That way we can light on fire, and it's in one pile, not two. So, you think we're gonna have good luck? Me neither, bro. We're gonna try. Man, look at these couillons, bro. They run. Reload? Man, I got it low and forward drive. Oh, man. Let's take a look at that. Oh, and that's a nightmare. Yeah, you just think a Corona. Oh. Alright, guys, that's it for today's rain out video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all got some good laughs out of it. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought about the video, if y'all liked it. Y'all have a good one. Thanks.